Welcome. So in this session we will talk about the textile design paper for CUET PG 2025. Now the very first question talks about the basic science behind the textile, and this talks about the polymerization type in which monomers are added to create a byproduct. So here we have two monomers which are added to create a polymer, and that is nylon 6,6, and this is what is known as condensation polymerization. So condensation polymerization is simply a process where monomers, which are smaller single units, are actually combining to form a larger unit, and this process of combining eliminates small byproducts. It could be in the form of water, ethanol, hydrogen chloride, and this would actually be very different from what is addition polymers, because under addition polymers there are no release of byproducts which are seen. Simply two units add to form a new unit. So here the answer would be condensation. The next is the basic fabric weaves. There are three basic fabric weaves. They are called as plain, twill and satin. Now here we have twill as the option. We have rib and basket. Now rib and basket are both the choices under plain weave. So both of them are types or variations of plain weave. And then we have a laplet weave, which is a different weave, and it is not it is a kind of figured weave. It's not a basic weave. So the weaving pattern, as you can see, is given here under plain, twill and satin. So here the option would be A, B and C are the correct options of the weave. The next is Institute of Handloom Technology was established in 1960 in India, and this was where the handloom industry was given a major incentive through technical education training. The first handloom Institute of Handloom Technology was established at Salem, and then there are further centers which were established. As of now there are total 6 handloom units which are established, and 4 is under the state sectors. Some of the important ones are at Varanasi, Guwahati, Jodhpur, Bargarh and Fulia. So these are some of the major ones which have been established. Kinkhab is a kind of brocade textile. Now kinkhab, the word comes from kin, which means it's a Persian word which means woven, and khab means dream. So it is a kind of a woven dream, and it usually uses gold and silver threads to create a very intricate and delicate look, as you can see in the picture. And this is one of the most decorative woven fabrics that is often made with silk, gold and silver threads. So this is what is called as kinkhab. Kinkhab is a Persian term. Another question here is Khadi Day is celebrated on. Khadi Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October, and it is a symbol of self-reliance and Swadeshi movement in India. So it's a day to honor the traditional textile and the Indian culture and history. So this was about the Khadi Day, which was another question. Now textile and its concepts are really important. So we have this complete section which is covered under the textile design here. So you can just go on to this and check out the questions, practice the questions here, and of course this 2025 paper, the complete paper with solution, would be available here. Thanks for joining. Have a great day ahead.